This sign means no parking from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. This sign means no bicycles allowed. Marks the end of a no passing zone. No trucks allowed. Keep to the left of obstruction. Beginning of a no passing zone, do not pass. This sign means this lane offers the option of turning left or going straight. This warning sign means golf carts ahead crossing. This sign is typically used with a stop sign and means what? Intersection is not an all-way stop. This warning sign means you will encounter a railroad crossing when turning right at the crossroad intersection ahead. Equestrians ahead or crossing. Horse-drawn vehicles ahead. Pedestrians ahead or crossing. No pedestrian crossing. Increased fines are imposed for traffic violations. This sign means special speed limit for trucks only. This warning sign means added lane ahead. Both these signs mean yield here to pedestrians crossing. What type of sign is this? Bicycle route sign. This sign means two-way left turn only. Detour to the left. What type of sign is this? National Forest route sign. Traffic flows in the direction of the arrow only. What type of sign is this? Interstate bicycle route sign. This warning sign means vertical deflection in the road designed to limit the speed of traffic. Snowmobile ahead or crossing. This sign means no turn on red. This sign means no hitchhiking allowed. You are on a 3-lane highway. This sign means left lane must turn left, center lane must go straight, right lane must turn right.